Now we have the retriever to retrieve the relevant document from the vector store based on the user query. And we also have the user query. The next thing which we need is the prompt. So to create the prompt, we are going to use the prompt template. So let's first import that. So from langchain dot prompts, we have to import prompt template. So what is a prompt template? So it helps to translate the user input and parameter to an instruction which we can use to guide the LLM. So let's create a function which will return the prompt. So def, let's name it as a load prompt. Inside this function, let's first create a template which we will use with our prompt template. So this is the template we are going to use with our prompt. So I will also provide this template in the description, but you can also try this by yourself. So in this template, we are first providing an instruction to LLM, in which we are providing you are an assistant for question answering task, and you have to use the following retrieve context. Context is the retrieve document based on the query, and the conversation to answer the latest question in the conversation. Conversation may have multiple questions and answer. So in conversation, you have the latest questions and may also have the chat history, the previous questions. So if you don't know the answer, just say you don't know. Do not provide incorrect answer. So then we are providing context, in which the context is a variable field where we will pass the relevant document based on the query, and then we are providing the conversation, in which we are providing the chat history and the latest question. Then we are asking the LLM to generate your response. So now let's use this template in our prompt template. So prompt template. In this, the first parameter which we have to provide is the template. So template is equal to template, and the second parameter is input variables, in which we have to provide the variables which we are using in our template. So input variables, first one is context and the second is questions. Now we can just return this prompt.